It's time to try some delicious dried fruits. Repeat after me. Pistachios. Raisins. Saffron.
Yummy!
Walnuts.
Which dry fruits do you love?
Almond.
So yummy!
Apricot. Apricot. Cashew nuts. Cashew nuts.
Yum! Delicious!
Dates. Dates. Dried dates. Dried dates.
Wow! Yummy!
Dried figs. Dried figs. Dried figs. Pistachios. Pistachios. Raisins. Saffron. Walnuts.
Vegetables matter most, so let's learn them. Coriander leaf. Potato. Green peas. Leek. Ridge gourd. Yummy! Beetroot. Cauliflower. The vegetable looks very delicious. Cluster beans. Tomato. Bitter gourd. Carrot. So yummy! Garlic. Onion. Yum! Delicious! Bottle gourd. Capsicum. Eggplant. Wow! Yummy! Ladyfinger. Broccoli. Cabbage. Cucumber. Coriander leaf. Potato.
It's time to enjoy some delicious cuisine. French fries. Hot dog. Ice cream.
Yummy!
Juice.
Milk. Noodles.
Pasta.
Pizza.
Rice.
Roti.
Which is your favorite dish? Salad. Samosa. Sandwich.
So yummy!
Soup.
Sweets.
Toast.
Bread.
Burger.
Cake. Yum! Delicious!
Chocolates.
Cookies.
Dokla. French fries. Hot dog. Ice cream.